Now student, we are going to discuss third stanza. Those who prepare green wars, war with gas, war with fire. The poet now asks everyone to stop those activities which harm environment. Green wars then is in our environment, not a war that is that was taken place between the countries, that is related to the environment. The poet asks to everyone to stop that activity which harm environment. War with gas, war with fire means those activities which harm the nature, which harm the animals, which harm the earth. So we have to stop those activities which harm our environment, our atmosphere. Our gases means atmosphere. War with fire means our forest. So victory with no survivor. The poet also requests to those countries, those people who attain wars, that victory with no survivor. If they win the war, then there is no meaning of the victory if there is no life, if there is no one alive. So then victory become useless. So we should stop the wars because war is meaningless. Wouldn't put on clean clothes means we should move to the peace. Clean cloth means peace, calmness. Clean cloth means peace. We should to move the peace and come out this and make out solution of the problem that the countries have. Not the war is not the solution. So we have to prepare these things that war is not happened. In the shade doing nothing, and walk about with their brothers in the shades doing nothing. The poet asks the soldiers, all the people, not do war and walk with their brothers. In the sense, walk with the enemies. Walk with the enemies. What I want should not be confused. In the shade doing nothing. Doing nothing means don't do anything, but stop for the moment and look yourself. What I want should not be confused. What I want. Poet said that you should not be confused. What I want, I with total inactivity. Means I not want the inactivity. I want man should be active, but in the good way, not in a bad way. Life is what it is about. I want no trunk with death. The poet wants people to adopt a new approach. He wants from the people to adopt a new approach towards life and mankind. I want should not be confused, and they want a clear concept to give to you that the poet wants from the people to adopt a new approach towards life and mankind. He says that you should treat your enemy like brothers and promote peace and harmony in the world, not war. That is conveyed by the poet in this extract. Clear, student? Now we will move to the fourth one. Fourth extract, student. If we were not single-minded, so single-minded. Now the poet want to clarify that the reader that when he asked the people to stop, not to make noise. It means that not be inactive, not be non-active. Non-active is a person who remains idle and does not do anything. The poet said that my meaning is not you should become non-active. You should be active and do activities, but gives time to yourself about keeping our lives moving. Your life, the poets want that your life is moving, not stop. And for once, could perhaps a moon silence might interrupt this sadness. The poet demanded the people, request the people to stop for a moment and look yourself, what you achieve, what you attain, what you lost during achieving the materialistic things. I don't want to just stop, not do anything. I want only that thing. What you do is a good or not. I want to know that. I want from you that you should know that you are doing a wrong thing or good thing. Is it clear, students? For might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. If we not understand ourselves, then it may lead to the death. Now the poets say that the time to stop and see what has been achieved and should be enjoyed. This will help us keep the sadness which has become so prominent in our lives become overcome. This activity is helpful to promote ourselves and achieve something. Maybe the sadness come in our life become vanished. So the poet requests the people through this poem that we should not stop and means not do work. We have to do work, but give time to ourselves. Give time to yourself. That you have introspect yourself and you realize that what you have achieved or what you have lost in gaining the materialistic things. Okay, student.